Welcome to our new long-term rental property. This property is a single family, 2-story, approximately 1,500 square feet. Property is a fixer-upper, so it will need some work, but overall it's in good condition. Enter into the first room. You can see the previous owner had been doing some work on it. Nice thing about this property is do some really pretty details. It's hard to see on that camera, but there's some beautiful stained glass work on the windows, which is lovely. And the windows are framed in these beautiful dark wood frame door. Hardwood floors throughout, which is just lovely. And then this beautiful staircase and solid wood balustrade up to the second floor. And continuing on, we have into the dining room area. Again, nice bright windows, large, spacious. This floor was damaged, most likely due to water. So the previous owner did have some work done to have the joists in the basement repaired. And so they put in this subfloor as a temporary measure while they listed the house. Coming into the kitchen area, it's a large, spacious area. As you can see, the floor in this area also most likely will have to be replaced. I don't think this can be sanded. And then back there as well, the floor will also need to be replaced. The bathroom back here, there's some signs of mildew and mold. It has nice bright windows, and there's a little bit of damage in the roof. That's the only section that we've noticed in the house that has had some water intrusion. And then back here, there is this lovely back door that reaches out into the backyard, which will have some steps leading down into the backyard. So some of the issues that we know will have to be addressed fairly soon. We know that the plumbing had been cut in the basement, so that's something that will have to be replaced probably throughout the house. We may be able to retain some of the previous plumbing, but that's something that will have to be investigated. Electrical seems to be in fairly good condition, but again, it's something that we will need to have checked out a little bit. We know windows throughout the house will most likely need to be replaced, which is okay. Again, that's just something we'll need to work on. And of course, the kitchen area we know will be an issue and will have to be rectified. So I hope you guys found this video interesting. This is going to be part of a series of videos which will include progress photos, progress video, final product, and then a review of the actual project in its entirety, including costs, breakdown, the experience of working with contractors in the area. So if you found this video interesting and you'd like to see more about how this project comes along, we really appreciate it if you guys could like and subscribe to our channel. This is a small community, and it's nice to be able to work together with people, share experiences, and help each other grow.